What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Long day. Had a lot of computer work and stuff I had to get situated today because I found out a lot of the traffic that was trying to make it to the oil filter pre-filler wasn't making it there because I didn't quite have it set up correctly. If I shared the link with somebody and you had the exact link, you could find it, but if you went to go look for it, you couldn't find it. Because I didn't have the domain set up properly with the company website attached to the Shopify account, and I didn't have certain things clicked and set up, and now that's all taken care of. You can literally go on Google and type in oilfilterprefillersystems.com. It pops up. You can type in autoind3.com. It pops up. You can click on any of the links that I have. It pops up. You can do a generic search. It'll pop up as one of the top ones now that I've got everything fixed. So yeah, this is kind of what the process looks. You see it's got a center layer, it's got an outer layer, it's got a reinforcing ribbon in the center. You don't want to be extremely tough with these when you're using these, but they are strong though. Any of the fittings that I supply to you guys, even if you order an ABS kit, I give you ASA fittings with it. I just feel more comfortable that way because they're a little bit stronger fitting. And a lot of you, whenever I ended up getting, if I ran out of a certain color in ABS, or I didn't have a certain color in ABS, I just upgraded it to ASA anyway. And you won't know. I just grab it out of the box and I just send it over and just give it to you at the same price. And I don't announce it or anything. I mean, there's a few kits, I remember which ones they are, that I'll probably add a sticker or something in there that says ASA, so you know that even though you ordered ABS, I bumped you up to ASA so you didn't have to wait for a different can to be built. I just gave you the better upgrade anyway. But yeah, I got up this morning. I started printing between last night and this morning. I started printing more black fittings that I got to clean up. A lot of the black fittings I've already cleaned up and done. That was my last little batch right there. And then like 3 or 4 more orders came in today. Not too many. Not like the first day. The first day was like 7 orders. The second day was like 8 orders. The third day, I think today was like 3 or 4 orders. But 2 or 3 of the guys wanted the custom toolboxes with your initials on them. And that's going to take me about 6 to 8 hours to print one individual box alone. So since so many people are interested in an individual box to go along with the kit, what I decided to do was I went ahead and got an additional AMS system and a P1S printer. So it'll have a brother to it sitting right next to it, and both of them will be going at the same time printing. It just, I'm not going to be able to sustain keeping up with everything with just one printer. I'm going to have one printer printing, you know, stuff for like fittings and things like that, and the other printer will have to be printing like upgraded stuff, like, you know, the toolboxes and things of this nature, supporting stuff. But with that being said, it's all coming together. It's a slow process. It's going to take a while for me to get this out there and for people to put it in their hands and start using it. For some reason, they've had me on a stinking shipping hold. I got a hold of them tonight, and I was like, why are you guys holding my shipping labels? I went to go start slapping labels on all these orders right here that I have that have to go out, and I can't even get them out because they won't allow me to print the shipping labels. And I was like, well, why is there a warning there saying that I'm on a 24-hour hold for account verification? And I talked to customer service tonight. This is 48 hours later. And the lady in customer service was like, I have no idea. There's no flag or anything on your account. Somebody individually must have wanted to verify your account, or it might be just a hiccup in the system and they've got to go in there and reset something. So I've got to go above me to figure out what's going on. So I'm sending an email to my boss so they can try to figure out why your account has some kind of shipping hold or print label hold on it. So I've got to get through that hurdle before I can even move forward. But in the meantime, get your orders in, guys. Please get them placed if you can. If if you're thinking about buying one of these oil filter pre-filler kits, again, I'll leave a link down below so you can actually see the thing in action. It's very unique how it works. Once I start explaining it to people more and more, then they're like, you know what, that makes sense. I was explaining it to a guy today that had the same mindset that some of you guys did. Well, I've always poured oil down the center of the filter, but once I started explaining how a filter works, how an oil pump works, that ideally you want the oil on the right side of the filter, not just down the center of the filter. And he was like, you know what, if you bring one of those to work, I'll just put the cash in your hand. And I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. What I'll do is, because you're a really good friend and you're a good vendor here and you come here all the time, I'll bring you one of my original kits that don't have the lines in it, and you can just have it. I've upgraded all those since. So I'll use the original kits that don't have the lines in it to just give them to people so they can try them out. But then the upgraded ones that have the hole and the stem and everything else. And he was like, that'll work, that's okay. So we'll see. And then maybe I'll give him one of the nice ones. But I got to save as much as I can for you guys right now, because you guys are the consumer. You're the first come, first serve. I got this really pretty filament tonight. I've been waiting for this from Sunlu. This is some of the kind of stuff that I like to use for the custom toolboxes. I know I put white, gray, and black on there, but I don't print white, gray, and black unless you guys really want white, gray, and black. But look at this filament here. It's got like a purplish green blend to it. So as I print with this, it comes out with this really unique, like, hybrid color. And it just looks really, really, really pretty when you put your initials and stuff on the front of it. Like, this is a black, this is more like a black cherry. This is bearded Vortex. But in certain angles, you see more of the red. And then if you pitch it another way, you see more of the black. This one here, it's like a purplish orange with a little bit of a red tinge to it. So you can see some of the orange, some of the purple. As you move it around, it's got some of the green in there. It's like chameleon colors. And that's PTT's. That's Aaron's. Motor Oil Geeks, I gotta get his put together for him too. I've got everything together, but I've gotta get them in boxes and stuff, because those take different boxes than everybody else's that's just ordering regular kits. I'm exhausted. I was up from like 3 o'clock this morning until 6 to try to get stuff prepared and things for the day, get the printers printing. At least if I leave in the morning, I could get one printer printing one set of fittings, and I can get the other printer printing the other set of fittings, and I'll be good. Then I can kind of keep up and have things printing while I'm at home. And each one of these printers have cameras up in the corner. Heck, if I could do it, I'd have 4 printers right here on top of this just printing all day. But I gotta have more of a demand for that. Right now it's steady, it's good. I'm not complaining at all. It's nice. But I'm excited, man. This is really exciting for me. This is a huge step in my life. I'm like the only one in my family that's ever done anything like this, you know, so this means a lot to me. You guys make me happy, and you support me and stuff like that, even through my little childish endeavors, my fits that I throw and stuff like that. I appreciate y'all. I really do. Thank you for just being there. Thanks for everything, really. This wouldn't even be possible if it wasn't for you guys. So I just want to say thank y'all. You guys are amazing. I'm going to leave the link down below in case you want to grab one of the kits, just to get an idea on what. This is a gray kit. You get a clear hose down there, you get a hand pump, you get 3 fittings in there, you get the can. This is Michael's. He's got a custom box. His kit's already ready to go. I just got to get printing labels shipped so I can get it. These down here are waiting on 2 fittings. I've got them. I just got to drop them in. And then these here, I'm getting fresh fittings off the printer for these right here. And then these are done as well. And then everything's caught up. Got 3 or 4 more that came in today. I'm going to fill in the morning. And hopefully by then they'll release my freaking printing label so I can get these out of here. I even bought a mobile printer that has labels that just goes through the back, and it goes done. Print it out, slap it on the box. Next one, slap it on the box. Next one, slap it on. Just quick, fast. Anyhow, let's go to bed. Good night, guys. I appreciate y'all. Be blessed. Again, thank you. I can't thank you enough for just how awesome you guys are. Thank you. Take care.